So y'all better feel the vibe to this. Yeah. That's like my most favorite playlist song when I'm in there cooking. That's what you need to clip in slow motion when I'm cooking. Then you can get the behind shot with the music. Get it real slow. Mike Stern. There you go. That's gonna cost money right there. Tell you right, that's the money shot. Now Chunky said I just roll up again when I'm done. Smoke it to the end. Gotta do what you gotta do, Chuck. It's pretty cool to sit down and just do your thing. Do some streaming, hang out with your buddies. You know I'm better than that. I'm curious to see what our prediction came out with. Jane Henry in the house. Turkey bacon, like good turkey bacon. Well, no, not. Well, actually, we have real bacon. We have pork bacon. We're doing pork bacon. However, alternative to doing a turkey bacon slider, there's nothing wrong, and I always recommend use turkey bacon and an alternative of pork bacon so you can make your sliders. So yeah, you can switch it up. There's in so many ways. You can use. Jane, what are the other alternatives when you're making sliders? Think of some healthy stuff that you can switch up the turkey bacon sliders with to enjoy. Feel free to leave that. Because that's some good stuff. There's other options on there. We liked how that recipe was and we just kept it in that zone, but I always told them, I was like, once we make it, you can as far as like in my emails and stuff, when I send my newsletters out and I make recipes, I always give like multi-alternatives. So yeah, throw an alternative in there, Jane. Let them know. Share it with us. Turkey bacon is one. What can be another one? There is like a soy bacon or something. I think it's like a veggie bacon version too. There's other type stuff you can switch up with.